Good morning, students. Welcome you all to today's class of science. Children, in our previous class, we have studied about some rocks and their types. Okay, so let's have a recap. There are three types of rocks found in nature. On the basis of mode of formation of rocks, the rocks are classified into three types. And these three rocks are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. So first of all we are going to study about how igneous rocks are formed. Children, igneous rocks are the oldest rocks. Our earth is made up of molten rocks, earth core. Earth core is made up of molten rocks, and these molten rocks are called magma. This magma comes out with force on the earth surface through the volcano. And now this magma which is come out from the volcano is called lava. When this lava cools down on the surface of the earth, the rocks are formed, and these rocks are called igneous rocks. About 95% of rocks on the earth are igneous rocks. I hope you understood how igneous rocks are formed. Igneous rocks लावा के ठंडा होने से, जो लावा हमारा अर्थ कोर, पृथ्वी का जो अर्थ कोर है वो मोल्टन रॉक्स से बना हुआ होता है, और वो मोल्टन रॉक्स को मैग्मा कहते हैं. तो ये मैग्मा अर्थ क्रस्ट पे आता है वोल्केनो के थ्रू, और पृथ्वी के सरफेस पे ठंडा हो जाता है. और जब ये लावा ठंडा हो जाता है तो पत्थर बनते हैं. उस पत्थर को हम इग्नियस रॉक्स कहते हैं. ओके, you can see in the picture, this lava cool down on the surface of the earth and igneous rocks are formed. And these rocks are about 90% of rock found on earth are igneous rocks. Okay children, now we will study about some types of igneous rocks. Okay, basalt. Basalt is formed by quick cooling of lava. जब लावा अर्थ के सरफेस पे बहुत जल्दी ठंडा हो जाता है, तब जो रॉक्स बनते या पत्थर बनते उसे बेसॉल्ट रॉक कहते हैं. बेसॉल्ट रॉक्स आर डार्क कलर डेंस रॉक्स with fine grains. You can see some grains are present on the rock. It is used for making statues. Basalt rock is used for making statue and for making asphalt. Asphalt जिसे हम हिंदी में डामर कहते हैं, और एसफॉल्ट रोड बनाने के काम आता है. रोड का डामरीकरण करते तब ये एसफॉल्ट यूज़ किया जाता है. एसफॉल्ट इज यूज टू पेव रोड्स. अनदर टाइप ऑफ igneous rocks are granite. Granite is very hard and widely used igneous rocks. ये बहुत ही हार्ड होता है और बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया जाता है वर्ल्ड वाइड. Igneous rocks are formed by slow cooling of lava beneath the earth's surface. It is found in many colors such as black, grey, white, pink. You can see different kinds of color are there. Granite is mainly used to make buildings, statues and roads. Okay, another type of igneous rocks are obsidian rock. These rocks are formed by quick cooling of lava. जब लावा बहुत जल्दी ठंडा हो जाता है तब obsidian kind of rocks are formed. It is resembles with black glass because of its shiny appearance. Its sharp edges make it fit for making cutting tools. It is also used for making jewelry. ये ऑब्सिडियन रॉक्स ज्वेलरी बनाने के भी काम आता है. Okay, another type of igneous rocks is pumice stone. Pumice stone is the only rock that can float on the water. It is very light in. ये रॉक बहुत ही हल्का होता है क्योंकि this rocks is porous. So many pores are present on this rocks. जब लावा ठंडा होता है तो उसमें कुछ एयर बबल ट्रैप हो जाते हैं, इसीलिए ये रॉक्स हल्का होता है. और this rocks is used to scrub out the dead skin. And this is very light in weight and light in color even. And its powder is also used by dentists for polishing our teeth. Okay, now we are going to study about how sedimentary rocks are formed. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the sediment. Sun, rain, water, wind and plants break down the rocks into small pieces. Continuous action of sunlight, rain, water, wind breaks the big rocks into small pieces. And these small rocks are carried away by flowing water and are deposited on the river beds. These deposits are called sediments. Means continuous action of sun and wind बड़े पत्थरों को छोटे छोटे पीसेस में तोड़ देते हैं. Weathering is a very long process, and because of weathering the big rocks are break down into small pieces. And these small pieces मतलब ये छोटे छोटे टुकड़े पानी के साथ बह के नदियों में लेयर्स बनाते जम जाते हैं और उसकी लेयर्स बनती है. These deposits are called segments और वो लेयर्स को sediments कहते हैं. Sediments forms layer one on the top of other, and this layers squeezes the bottom layer, and continuous pressure on the bottom layer, these layers are changed into rocks. Means जो मिट्टी पत्थर पानी के साथ में बह के नदियों में आते हैं और उनके लेयर्स बनते हैं, वो लेयर्स को सेडिमेंट्स कहते हैं. और ये सेडिमेंट्स लेयर बाय लेयर एक के ऊपर एक जम जाते हैं और ऊपर वाले सेडिमेंट्स का नीचे लेयर्स में दबाव पड़ने से जो पत्थर बनता है उसे सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स कहते हैं. और near about 75% of this earth surface is made up of sedimentary rocks, and these sedimentary rocks is always found in layers. You can see here step by step how sedimentary rocks are formed. The small rocks or soil deposit on the layer one on the top of other in the river beds, and this deposition is called sediment. And these layers continuous pressure making continuous pressure on other layers, and along the long period of time these layers or get changed into sedimentary rocks. About 75% of this rock found on earth are sedimentary rocks. These rocks are found in layers. You can see here the layers are found on the stone. Okay, so now we will study about some types of sedimentary rocks. First of all, sandstone. Sandstone is made up of sand. As the name suggests, sandstone is made by sandy sediment deposit and gets cemented together. सैंडस्टोन ये सैंड से बना हुआ होता है, उसमें क्वार्ट्स मिनरल्स होते हैं. ड्यू टू द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ड्यूरेबिलिटी it is used to make buildings. Sandstone, okay, one of the famous building, you know that Red Fort in Delhi and many other buildings which are made up of sandstone. Sandstone may be brown, yellow or red or pink in color. Red Fort at Delhi is made up of sandstone. Many buildings are made up of sandstone, like Hawa Mahal in Rajasthan is also made up of sandstone. Sandstone is very hard stone and which is made up of sand, and it is also used in making buildings. The monuments like historical monuments like Red Fort and Hawa Mahal are made up of sandstone. Okay, another type of sedimentary rock is conglomerate. Conglomerate is also very hard and strong and durable stone. It is formed by the pebbles, gravels and minerals cemented together. It is found in mostly in grey and orange color. It is used to make buildings, sometimes used in polishing the materials, and is also used in ornamental stones. Okay, another type of sedimentary rock is shell. Shell is type of soft sedimentary stone and which is also made by layers of sediment. Shell is used in making bricks, tiles and cement. Shell used in making bricks and tiles. You can see in the picture. Okay, another type of sedimentary rock is limestone. Limestone is white in color. It is the stone made up of the bits of outer shell of shelled animal. Therefore, it is fine grains and lots of calcium. Limestone is found in seabeds. It is mostly grey and white in color. Many sedimentary rocks have fossils in them. आपने कोल देखे होंगे. कोल में कोल इज ऑल्सो ए सेडिमेंट्री रॉक. कोल एक सेडिमेंट्री रॉक है और उस पर फॉसिल्स, वी कैन सी फॉसिल्स ऑन द सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. Sedimentary rocks is used to make chalks, paper and cement. Lime means चूना. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा चूना. चूना is a lime and that is made up of limestone. Lime is used for whitewashing our houses. Okay, so these are the uses of limestone. Okay, so we have studied about sedimentary rock. First sedimentary rock is sandstone. Okay, sandstone is hard and very durable stone which is used to make buildings like Red Fort at Delhi And Hawa Mahal at Rajasthan is made up of sandstone. It is red and pink in color mostly. Okay, another type of sedimentary rock is conglomerate. It is also very durable and strong stone, and it is a choice for making construction. Also sometimes used as a polishing material to make ornamental stones. Generally it is used for construction buildings. Another type of sedimentary rock is shell. Shell is found in layer. It is used for making bricks and tiles. Okay. Another type of sedimentary rock is limestone. Limestone generally found in grey and white in color, and lime, we call it chuna, that is made up of limestone. And limestone is also used to make paper and chalk. Okay, that's all for today, children. Have a good day.